The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L that has a factory installed flush side rail. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo flush rail base roof rack system. This system consists of the Thule WingBar Evo 118. That's 47 inches in length. This happens to be the black finish, but silver is also available. Below that, you've got the Thule Flush Rail Evo foot pack. And connecting all that to the flush rails is the Fit Kit 186120. So this is a unique fit where it is a flush rail, but it's actually connecting with specialized brackets to the fixed points on the backside of the flush rail. So there are 3 different set points for cargo boxes, bike racks, things like that. You'll need to use the 2 closest that you see here. But maybe for longer loads like kayaks, paddleboards, spread them out a little bit further. Overall, you have a 165-pound weight carrying capacity, so it's a great system for carrying, as mentioned, bikes, kayaks, paddleboards, cargo, pretty much you name it. So this is just a quick look at this new model. Again, this is the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L with the flush side rails. So for more details and the complete year range, click on the link in the description below. And like you see there, it is bolted to your flush rail with tamper-resistant fasteners. So security is provided, or a security level is provided right out of the box. But you can also buy locks for the actual feet to keep that secure to those brackets. So again, this is a quick look at this fit. For more details, pricing, availability, click on the link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching.